Welcome to the Balloon Guild. Now that you've joined the Balloon Guild, you'll see that we have our intro here and we have this little piece at the bottom. All you have to do to start accessing our content is to click the button search. If you click search, it'll pop up everything we currently have and you can see all of that down here at the bottom. We do have the advanced search, which we can turn on and off based on what you're looking for. If you want to search by something that's 3 colors and search that, you can pop that up. You can also look for something that's organic and search that and pop all those up. You could also search something that's a sculpture and pop those up. You can also search something that's, maybe you want to do something that's polka dot and search that and you'll have all those pop up. No matter what, when you find the one you like, you click on it and it'll take you to this page. Once you get to this page, you can click on the resources to find the recipe, or you can click the back button at the bottom to go back. If you're on a computer and click the resources page, it'll pop up to this here that you can print or view from your phone. And then this opens in a new tab, which you can close. It'll take you back to this page and you can click back down at the bottom and that'll take you back here. If you'd like to reset your classifications so that you don't have to change all these back and forth, you just close advanced search and hit search and it'll pop everything back up and then you're back at where you started. If for some reason you're not seeing this screen, then you are not logged in. You'll have to go click on the button that says login in the top right, or you'll have to sign up and join us for month to month and have access to all the amazing recipes.